Hello everyone, I am Logan of Vietnam Jabaramaki. Welcome to my channel. Today I will assemble my new project, an Iaito Wakizashi remake. Like you see, I have all the parts of the Wakizashi here, like a non-sharp blade, the saya, suka, sipa, sapa, and the tiny mekugi. Okay, now I will show you the closer look of the suka. I make it with Jabaramaki style, which means wrap it many string, as you can see here. But in Vietnam, it's very difficult for me to find and buy the Jabaramaki for real. Yeah, and this is the best thing I can find in our market. Luckily now I have foreign friends who can buy and ship me anything and whatever I need. And great. Like you know, Jabaramaki is so difficult and it took a lot of time to wrap it. I really hurt my hand so bad, like it's burning after hours working. I'm so proud that I can do it myself. It looks tight and look great anyway. Alright, now I will assemble them. Okay, the blade, the first zipper. Oh, I always love to do that. The zipper, the second zipper, Jabaramaki Tsuka. The tiny mekugi. I put in there. It's very easy. Okay, finally I will put on the saya.
Voila! Oh, that's so excited to get the form for the sword after the days separate. Ah. It's much prettier than I thought.
Yeah, I think it's now ready to be training for sure. Okay, thank you for watching my video till here. This is the first time I ever share my face in my video like this, so I'm very nervous, and I'm so appreciate your patience. And I hope you will like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel to inspire my soul to make things better. And I will make more and more interesting video about my work on Japanese sword like that. Thanks again, and see you later. Don't forget to check out the link of our page and Instagram in the description below. Bye bye.